Hello, welcome to you to this pre-mortem of copy-paste utility. So copy-paste utility is just a tool in Unity where you drag and drop this prefab, ready-to-use clipboard, and in it you have the ability to have a tool to communicate with the clipboard. There's 3 ways to communicate with the clipboard in Unity, and a history of this change state. So as you can see here, if I press play, here's the demo, demo windows. You can use the UI to be able to push some information that come from a file, that come from a text, that came from something you put in your game, in your application. But you can also track if the user is making some copy paste in or outside of Unity, and all that come here in the history mono behavior. What you can do is say, okay, if there is a change, can you send me the previous and the current change, or just the previous or just the current one? And how it's working, it's just that you have a script here that every 0.1 second will call the clipboard to check if there is a change. So if the change happened too quickly, maybe you will miss some, because there is not a clipboard event, okay? And the last part of this code is the listen clipboard change, but with break. It's for some of your application, sometime you want to be able to listen to a clipboard change it to be able to modify what will be copy pasted by the user. For example, you write password and it copies a real password, de-encrypt it. That's why I'm using it for the moment. When you do that, you don't want to create accidentally a loop. So what you can do is that you can say, can you, when I receive the change and that I identify that I want to modify this change, you can send a break, and you can deactivate or activate the clipboard, or you can say for 10 seconds, stop listening to the change, I'm doing something. And when you do that, you can use this class here to be able to filter just the one that trigger when it's possible. And so, yeah, basically that's all you have to remember about this tool. So feel free to come, take the code, test the demo, and have fun. I hope it can help you. May the code be with you. Bye, bye, bye.